Hello everyone! Want to clear all your data and remove your Snapchat account for good? Whether you're taking a break or just done with the app, deleting your account is the only way to erase your data permanently. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, open your Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Account. Snapchat will redirect you to the account deletion page. Enter your Snapchat password and tap Continue. Your account will now be deactivated for 30 days. If you don't log in during that time, it will be permanently deleted along with all your data. And that's it. Your Snapchat data is on its way to being permanently removed. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.